So good morning, OME 553 Industrial Safety Engineering, third year, fifth semester, unit number 1, safety working and wooden working machines. So topic number 7, saws and types. So before going to lesson, recap with your yesterday classes. So yesterday classes, woodworking machines. So uh, how to maintain the woodworking machines in the workplaces in in manufacturing sectors, and what are the safety principles adopt in the working place in the manufacturing sectors based on your woodworking machines. So these conditions are applied to working machineries in the sawmill or machinery sectors in the manufacturing area. So next we go for topic, and before I have problem, so we can see the problem after I enter the lessons. This is problem statement. What may seems obviously to one person may be less to another. So never take it for granted that anyone operating a saw will understanding safe procedure. Suppose I'm a manager, I allotted the work to our workers. The workers based on whether it is already trained or not, and identified after give the work order to workers. Suppose if not trained, first follow the safety procedure. After that, work based on saw machine working place in the manufacturing sectors. And same time, and every saw comes with a whole list of general power tool safety rules that must be followed, and from making sure electrical tools are unplugged before changing blades to simply using the tool for its intended applications instead of something else. So whatever process are completed after unbulked unplug the uh, electrical wire after remove after leave the space for workplaces. If not bulked, if anybody affected injurious or accident at the point of workplaces. So be aware whenever you use this the saws in the workplaces. So next we go for lesson after types, and then activity. After that, advantage and disadvantages saws. So let's go to lesson. So this is a saw. This is based on steel rod cutting saws. So saw is tool consists of tough blade, wire or chain with hard teeth of edges. It is used to cut through material, very often wood, through sometimes metal or stones. The cut is made by placing the teeth edges against the material and moving it forcefully forth and less forcefully back or continuously forward. The force may be applied and are powered by steam, water, electricity, or other power sources, and abrasive saws as powered circular blade and designed to cut through the metallic ceramics. Suppose the saw maximum using in industry, cutting of rods and cutting of metal works. For example, in civil construction, so construct the building, and before using a steel rods, you can cutting whatever shape you want, you can cutting the rods. And ceramics, using of tiles and stones and uh, stones and marble stones are biggest one or smallest one, whatever shape you need, you can cutting the process in the saws. So this is a saw for using in process. And next we go for safety principles of saws. The one example, metalworking machine, metal saws and coal. What should you do before using coal and metal saws? Read owner's manual carefully. Be sure all parts, wire and bulbs are in good working conditions. Make sure you understand instruction and properly train before operating metal saw. Refer to OS sketch and some metalworking machines are general for safety principles. So whenever the new people, first you can read out the manual. This is the important one. After, be sure all part, wires and plug, plugs are good condition or not. So first, I'm a worker. First, once check your machine. After, start the process. If not checking a process, you can meet the accident in the workplaces. So each and every parts you can check it after start the process in the workplaces, and make sure you understand instruction. What are the procedure you have? I can step by step follow it. After, properly train the before operating metal saws. So this is a refer OH and answers metalworking machines general safety tips. This is the one. The next one. What are the some basic safety principle to follow in workplaces using of saw? So we are the CSA certified appropriate personals productivity equipment, including safety gloves and other required equipment. Example, footwears, hearing protections, and make sure the saws has started or stop or emergency buttons within the easy reach of the operators, and make sure the all guards are in place and working properly. The guards long time long time materials at the both ends and prevent anyone from coming to the contact with it, and make sure that the blade is completely stopped before removing the stocks, and follow the logout procedure when performing maintenance work. So first one, the each and every people to certify for appropriate personal productivity equipment, including the as a manager I'm using saw or workers working in saw. First, safety glasses and wear in your based on your eye, and for example footwear, hearing protections. These are safety safety for uh, PPE kit. You know about PPE kit. And make sure the SAS start and stop or emergency button with easy reach to the operator, and make sure that all guards in the place in working properly. Guard long material at the both ends to prevent anyone from the coming into the contact with him, and make sure the blade is completely stopped and before removing stock. Suppose you can complete process are over and remove the block, and uh, clean the place after leaving from your workplaces in your manufacturing industries. Not only manufacturing industries, in civil construction or any other places. Okay, next one. This is what should you avoid doing. Do not wear the loose clothes and dangling jewelry during work as they may get tangled with rotating parts. And do not place measure or remove work unless the saw is stopped. And do not apply the extra forces to the saw blade. Do not leave saw running unattended. Suppose the I'm a person, I'm working the place, I'm wearing bracelet or jewelry in my neck, or wearing ring in your hand. So please avoid that whenever working your workplaces, and do not place or measure or remove work unless size stop. Suppose the process is running, you can the running time you can not wearing sorry, not removing from eyeglasses and gloves and shoes and jackets. That means safety jackets. So do not apply extra force to the saw blade. Don't push to extra force to cutting that one. If push to cutting blade, push to the cutting blade into the steel, so immediately you are um, injurious meet the accident at the time in your place or places. So do not leave the saw running unattended. If suppose the machine is working, you do not leave from that place. After completion of the process and cleaning the process, after remove the process. If suppose running the time, you are time you are meet the accident at the time of workplaces. This is the important of not doing in your area. This is type of saws. So next one type of saws are available. One is artery saws, chain saws, and portable link saws. These are fixable chain saws up to the 4 feet long, supplied to the military for clearing the tree branches for gun sighting. And butcher's saws, the cutting bones, many different designs were common, including large one of the two men are known as the use of beef splitters. Most were frame saws, some back saws. This is a butcher's saws, maximum using of cutting of bone in your beef oriented. If salanchas is called salanchas, salanchas, salanchas means cutting of the cow and goat and hens in the nearest place. If you want, you can use that butcher's sauce is available in the area, and including if suppose you use the sometimes use the postmortem sectors, you can use that one butcher's sauce. Okay, the next one grass cut sauce for cutting wood perpendicular to the grain of your sectors. And ducking saws, a large heavy saws with unbreakable metal handled of unique pattern used for rough works. Former a minor saws, the strong saw with the coarse teeth. Flow saws, the narrowest blunted variety of bit saws up to 7 feet long and able to work the saw curve and cartwheel follows. And a silently wider blade equally long and was called stiff saws for cutting stiffs for wooden cases. So wooden piece you can, if you want, you can wooden pieces cutting. This type of saws are using the bills. Totally 31 saws are available. So I can tell only 6 saws are present here. The remaining you can verify and give them some feedbacks. Next to go to for general safety principle. Suppose if you use the saws, the cutting of stones or pipeline, can use the saws and wear the gloves and helmet and protection high. So because the dust particles and ignite flames are produced at the time of cutting of saws. And suppose the another one, the members if wear the mask, there is no problem. If not wear the mask, the dust particles or ignite flames are inhale the body and the problem created the body do not working in your area, so that you can starting the process once safety measures are follow in the system. The first one, all saws possess the potential hazards for the operators. EHIS professional can minimize the hazard by provide the training for operator, ensuring that all machinery is properly guarded, making sure that all ANSIC, NFBA and government regulations are followed. This is a more providing. These are 3 things important for using of saw to tell about NFPS. Next one. This is general safety principles and continue. So first one, using cutting lubricant fluid when cutting metals. Keep saw blades clean and sharp and check blades regularly for wear or damages. Select the correct blade or saw speed for the material being cut. The follow manufacturer instruction. Use the stop gauges supplied without most and cut off saw when several pieces the same length are required. The secure all work in vise. Place the section to cut the such that saw blade will clear the vise the table. However, do not place the section so far away from the voice that will be unstable when being cut. The stop long stop with the floor standard. Suppose using sauce first, you can check your lubricant fluids are available or not. Second, the blade is clean and sharp or not. Regularly, you can check the process. Next, correct the blade and speed of material being cutted in following manufacturer instruction. The stop gauges are supplied with most cutout saws when several pieces, same length or not. You can vise and secure all work in vise step. This is called step-by-step procedure. You can follow it or not. You can check the manager in the workplaces. This is for general safety. First one. Second, circular saws using of general safety. So blade cuts are absorption and kickbacks are among the most frequent incident involving circular saws. This can be minimized by proper guarding and training and enforcing safe work procedures. Circular saws are designed to permit wide range of cutting tasks. The problem with saws uh, as the most multiple use equipment is the difficult to design one guard that offer maximum production for all type of task. So whenever using circular saws, be carefully using the workplaces. This is a type of saw machine. Future of the industrial model, titling absorb circular table saw, including posted safety rule in the places. Suppose every machines and before you can safety measures are pasted in the table or nearby the wall. So next push the stick, tail of the table, rip the fins, cross cut of blade and self-adjusting point of the operation guard and enclosed power transmission. This is a one machine per source. And second thing, the operator is following safe operating procedure by standing to the side while ripping, keeping sleeves rolled up and using the rib fins, blade guard and splitters, anti-kickback devices and tail of table when using the tail of the table. The operator is less likely to reach over the blade to catch the stock and before it fall to the floor. This is a process of safety process of using of saw. Another one saw type of mill. Another one saw type of machines. This is another one circular saws proper operating method. So only authorized person should operate circular saws. A saw is good condition or running in the correct speed should cut easily. If the saw does not cut as fast as it should, or if does not saw a clean straight line, the saw blade or running speed may be improperly set. Never use the blade larger than what is allowed for the mental speed. Use the right saw the right job. Take it to consideration blade height. Operator should be stop the circular table and saw before leaving it. So suppose using circular saw, using in sawmill. So before using the operating procedure in the places. Circular saws selection and maintenance. The characteristics and condition of circular saws blade are important safety factors for the operator who's used them. When the operators alter the original design of the saw, they seriously affect the saw efficiency and safety. There are numerous conditions which may cause unsafe and difficult and unsatisfactory operation. So blade out of the round, blade not straight, improper uneven set, dull the blade, improper pushing and crack the blade. If suppose using a saw machine, before once check your blade based on blade out of the round, a blade not straight, improper or even set, dull the blade, improper pushing and crack the table in the blade. So these are conditions are once checked, after you can start the procedure in the places. So this is a type of saw blades. So circular saws blades for cutting wood. This is hollow ground planar blades. This is hollow ground planar blades are precision cross cutting and miltering, ripping all wood and plywood or laminate where the smoothest of cuts are designed. This is a hollow ground planar blades and master combination blades. The master combination blades are used for all woods in materials and fiber board and chipboard of the system. Next, rib blade is based on your solid wood cutting of the system. This is a solid wood cutting system. This is second one, plywood blades. This is surface cutting. That means cross cutting of the plane cutting of the process. This is a plywood blade. This is a chisel tooth combination. Chisel tooth combination means all purpose of blade, fastest cutting and wood and finish is not required. So this is a based on metal and wood and heavy rough in the system. And cabinet combination is a cabinet combination is blade for in general cabinet and trim work in solid works. It will cross cut, rib and milter hard and soft wood to give the good accurate cuts and molding, trimming and cabinet works. And another one, standard combinations. The standard combination for used in hard and soft wood in the cross cutting of the rib, mitre cut in the wooden pieces. This is metal cutting blade. This is a non-ferrous metal cutting blade. This is a non-ferrous means cutting brass, aluminum rods and copper, zinc, lead, brown extra. The blades are taper ground and need to no seats. And steel slicer. This is a blade or cutting the steel sheet of iron sheets. This is a 2.54 mm thickness. If you want 2.45 thickness, you can cutting this type of blade. You can use in saw machine. And flooring blade. This is a tungsten carbide tip blade, especially designed for rough cutting, where occasional nails, metal lathe extras. This is a metal cutting blades. The example bandsaw. Injuries from bandsaw are less and frequent served than other saws. Push stick to control and workpieces when it is close the blade. Ensure the working area and the well lit. Install adjustable guard when possible. Install brake for band saw that run for the long time after the power is shut off. And when working small pieces, use the special jig or fixtures. This is one example woodworking equipment. So this joint is equipped with two guards, one on the working side fence and second one is back side of the blade. So after cutting, after fitting to the machine, after using saws, you can cut the blade, your wooden pieces and metal pieces. This is one example for cutting equipments. Next activity, and tell about different type of saws in workplaces. This is the disadvantages. It is based on electricity to compact high level noises, intensive vibrations, lower stability, less suitable for stainless steel and aluminum, high maintenance cost, safe handling of water jets. This is the advantages: portability, energy saving, affordability, multiple uses, and safer to use. This is my assessment. The last for assessment. So list out the advantage of saw machineries, identify disadvantage of saw machineries. This is my references and thank you.